Maserati pays homage to its storied racing heritage with the introduction of the MC20 Icona and MC20 Leggenda limited editions, inspired by the iconic MC12 supercar. These exclusive variants commemorate Maserati's racing successes and technological prowess, offering enthusiasts a chance to own a piece of automotive history reimagined for the modern era. The MC20 Icona and MC20 Leggenda draw inspiration from the MC12, a legendary supercar that dominated the racing circuits in the early 2000s. Designed as a road-going counterpart to the MC12, both limited editions blend aerodynamic efficiency, striking design elements, and high-performance engineering to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Starting with the MC20 Icona, Maserati amplifies the essence of exclusivity and performance with bespoke features that celebrate the spirit of racing. Enhanced aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and distinctive styling cues pay tribute to the MC12's racing pedigree while elevating the MC20 Icona's visual appeal and dynamic capabilities. In contrast, the MC20 Leggenda emphasizes a balance of luxury and performance, drawing inspiration from Maserati's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation. This limited edition combines sophisticated design elements with advanced technology, creating a seamless blend of elegance and exhilaration that echoes the legacy of the MC12 on both road and track. Underneath their distinctive exteriors, both the MC20 Icona and MC20 Leggenda harness Maserati's latest engineering advancements. Each limited edition is powered by a twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering robust performance and exhilarating acceleration. Maserati's meticulous attention to detail ensures that both variants offer a thrilling driving experience synonymous with the marque's racing heritage. Inside the cabin, the MC20 Icona and MC20 Leggenda continue to impress with bespoke interiors that reflect their exclusive status. Premium materials, handcrafted finishes, and advanced technology converge to create a luxurious environment tailored for discerning enthusiasts who appreciate both performance and refinement. In addition to their performance credentials, the MC20 Icona and MC20 Leggenda embody Maserati's dedication to innovation and excellence. Advanced driver assistance systems, cutting-edge connectivity features, and personalized customization options ensure that each limited edition delivers a personalized and rewarding ownership experience. As Maserati commemorates its racing legacy with the MC20 Icona and MC20 Leggenda, these limited editions represent more than just cars. They symbolize a celebration of passion, craftsmanship, and innovation. With production numbers limited, they offer collectors and enthusiasts a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history that pays homage to Maserati's iconic MC12 and its enduring impact on the world of high-performance supercars. In conclusion, the MC20 Icona and MC20 Leggenda stand as testament to Maserati's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. By blending heritage with modernity, these limited editions reaffirm Maserati's status as a timeless icon in the realm of luxury and performance, setting new standards for exclusivity and driving pleasure.